Investing in a new roof is crucial for your home's safety, comfort, and longevity. Over time, roofs wear down from exposure to weather, leading to leaks and structural damage. Severe weather events like storms can exacerbate these issues, necessitating a replacement to maintain structural integrity. Benefits of a new roof include enhanced energy efficiency, improved curb appeal, and peace of mind knowing your home is protected. Regular maintenance is essential to prolong your roof's lifespan and prevent costly repairs. When choosing a roofing company, look for experience, reputation, and proper licensing. Monitor your roof for signs of damage and consider replacement if it's nearing the end of its lifespan. In conclusion, a new roof safeguards your home and enhances its value. With proper maintenance and timely replacement, you can ensure your roof continues to protect your home for years to come. Call Monumental Roofing LLC today for a free estimate. 425-286-0324.